Hello everybody, my name is Quadarius Whitson and I'm a senior here at JSU majoring in family and consumer science, and today we're going to be making egg sandwiches. So we have our eggs, we're going to hard boil it for about 12 minutes, and we have our lettuce, we have cherry tomatoes, and we have sliced pepper jack cheese. So what you're going to do is you're going to cut your egg in half lengthwise like this. Next, you're going to place 3 cherry tomatoes on here. We're going to grab our lettuce, half of this. One slice of our pepper jack cheese. And we're going to top with the other half of our egg. And finally, we're going to break our skewer in half. And skewer it through. And it's that simple. That's just how you make an egg sandwich. So let's talk about some nutrition facts. So in the egg you have protein, and in the yolk right here you have omega-3 fatty acids as well as cholesterol. In your lettuce, it keeps you full longer. Your tomatoes, you have that antioxidant that promotes men's prostate health, as well as the pepper jack cheese, just another really great source of protein. So let's try it out. So it tastes really good. And thank you for joining us in making the egg sandwich. Check out #JSUSCS for more recipes.